Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica M. Thank you all for stopping by and taking the time to watch. I'm coming to you all today to show you the gift that I received from my husband for our 17th anniversary. It is the red tote from Christian Louboutin, and it matches a pair of Christian Louboutin heels that I have. It's the exact match, actually. Care packet. That's the inside. It's hollow with one pocket. It do not have a zipper, just one fastener latch, as most of their totes have. And that's the red tote with the silver spikes. That's the inside again. That's the red shoe I was telling you all about. I did in a previous video. Those are the shoes that matches that bag. And he wanted to get that bag to match those shoes. And see, it's the perfect match. There you have it, Christian Louboutin red tote. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so I can continue to bring you all more content. Hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Go hard, or go home.